Waves crashing, lights flashing, summer heat and music blasting, feet in the sand.